If you want to make a SurveyMonkey survey anonymous and make sure respondents can answer without their identity being revealed, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is especially useful if you're collecting honest feedback, employee input, customer reviews, or any type of survey where privacy matters. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Survey to access the survey you want to edit. This is where you'll manage the settings for your form and control how responses are collected. Next, open the survey publishing area. From there, look for the option to edit the survey settings. This is an important step because the anonymity controls are usually found inside the response and collection settings, not inside the question editor itself. When the settings panel opens, find and click Anonymous Responses. This is the option that controls whether SurveyMonkey tracks respondent information or keeps responses private. After that, turn on the setting that says On, your respondents will be anonymous. Once this is enabled, SurveyMonkey will no longer collect identifying details tied to the response in the way it normally might. That means your survey participants can submit answers more confidently, especially when the topic is sensitive or when you want more honest feedback. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to double-check the survey flow and make sure there aren't any other questions or logic settings that ask for personal information unless you truly need them. Remember, making a survey anonymous is only one part of protecting privacy. You should also make sure your questions don't accidentally ask for names, emails, phone numbers, info numbers, or other details that could identify the respondent. If your goal is complete anonymity, keep the survey as neutral as possible and only collect the data you actually need. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish or share the survey link. Now, your SurveyMonkey survey is set up so respondents can answer anonymously. This is a great way to improve trust, increase response rates, and get more honest feedback. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.